Hello, in this video I'm going to show you two methods to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A05. The first method is press the lower volume button and the power button at the same time like this. As you can see, a screenshot is captured. The another method is go in settings, scroll down, go in accessibility, go in interaction, tap on assistant menu, enable it from here. Allow it. Now let's go on home. As you can see, assistant menu is enabled. Now if you want to take a screenshot without pressing volume and power keys, you can simply tap on assistant menu and tap on screenshot. As you can see, screenshot is captured. Now if you want to edit the screenshot, you can simply capture it. Here you can see edit option is showing. Simply tap on it. You can simply crop it. Use pencil. Mark around anywhere. Change the color. You can change color from here like this. Now again tap on pencil. From here you can select pen, brush, marker, whatever you want. Now if you want to erase this, simply tap on eraser and erase this. From here you can share the screenshot directly, and from here you can save it. My screenshot is saved in gallery, as you can see here. And if you want to capture the long screenshot, then follow these steps. For example, I am opening any site like Amazon. Tap on assistant menu, tap on screenshot. As you can see, screenshot is captured. Now tap on scroll down. It is scrolling down and capturing screenshot. Again. Now let's check it out. As you can see, my long screenshot is captured. These are the two methods of taking a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A05. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.